wrong way round.
Oh.
Now you cut it like this, and let's show you how. Look.
Hi everyone, today we will be making a chopboard. This is because the ones that my wife was using broke quite easily. These were shop bought. I'm just picking out a few planks from my reclaimed wood collection. Watch till the end to see me and my daughter make a fruit salad to test this out. Now let's begin.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So firstly, I grabbed a few pieces that are of the same thickness. I prefer to use reclaimed wood or salvaged wood as opposed to buying materials from a hardware store. This is because I find it more of a satisfaction to create something which would be otherwise regarded as waste and to bring that to life, to make it into a piece of furniture or a piece of item. I'm just marking out what the height of the chopping board would be. If you noticed, I'm using two different types of wood, so when I put the pieces together it gives a different wood texture on the chopping board. You'll see what I mean when I put the pieces together. I will be applying a oil finish that is food safe, so it is appropriate to use on a chopboard. This will bring the wood grain and the pattern to life. Now I will be cutting them to different sizes. This project made me realize I needed to change the table saw blade as some of the planks were harder to cut through the machine. Now with the pieces all cut out, I'm going to arrange them to a pattern that I like and then start applying the glue. I'm using my offcut pieces to push down from the top to get the pieces as flat as possible before going over with the sanding machine. I left the chopping board glued to dry overnight, not realizing it would rain the next morning. So then I had to dry it again in the sun the next day. I'm using my planer to even out the surface. Because I do not have the tabletop planer, I'm having to sand quite a bit just to get the smooth finish. I am using the sawdust created from this project by mixing it with wood glue so it will match the grain to fill up any gaps. Now I'm going to use my crosscut sled to cut off the uneven edges. On the second cut, I nearly had the scare of my life thinking my table saw had packed up. Then I realized I didn't plug it in. Bit more sanding, now you can see the wood grain is starting to come out. Now I'm going to apply a oil finish that is specifically designed for chopping board, which means it is food safe. I am using a rag instead of a brush to make sure the oil penetrates the wood much better. Now this is the old chopping board. Well, what's left of it. I'm sizing it up so my daughter has her own one also. Now to test this out, watch me and my daughter try to make a fruit salad. Let's make a fruit salad.
Okay. Pear.
Good girl. Do you want to peel it?
This.
No, that's not how you peel it. You peel it with this. Hold it. Go on. Good girl. You cut the pear, okay?
Okay.
Do you know how to? And Daddy's gonna cut the banana.
I can't.
You can, look. Chop. Chop.
How's Daddy?
Outside. Put it in the bowl. And look. What's Daddy doing?
Daddy, we're gonna cut the mango.
Oh.
So,
Oh no! It's so heavy.
I'll carry it.
Okay. Okay. Put it down. Ma, I can't do it. Can you show me?
I can't.
Yeah. Put it in the bowl. And look. What's Daddy doing?
I don't know. I don't want to make it fruit salad.
Yeah. What should I do with the banana?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Let's put it in a bowl.
Okay. Oh no, I need help.
I'll help you. You cut it like this, and you do no see. That's why I had to do that. You cut it hard, and you need to do that. Like me.
Okay. Daddy can't do it.
It's okay. You can do it like this if you want.
Oh, okay.
So use a knife and cut it like me.
Oh, it worked.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I can't cut the banana.
You can.
You need to show me.
Look. And you put them in the bowl and with the pears.
Okay.
Then you can peel it.
Good girl, Ma. How are you doing this?
Because I do it by myself because I can't.
Oh,
So you need
okay.
to help me. But I can't.
I can't do it. Can you show me?
I can't, okay?
Can you show me how? Can I try?
Yeah. But wait.
Oh, it's not cutting.
Yes, look, this part is a mint. Now you cut it like this and let's show you how. Look. Yeah, and let's decorate.
Yes. How should we do it? Let's put bananas on one side.
Yeah.
Go on.
So we need to do something. So we need to do something.
Okay, let's put the mangoes on one side.
And let's decorate today.
Yes.
Done. We're not done yet. So we need to go. So we're making a silly bit. It's time to eat, everyone.